Up on your feet, everybody. It's time to do the Mouska dance.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Gee, we had such a great time puppy-sitting Bella for Clarabelle today. We used a super bouncy ball to play fetch with Bella. We used the bar of soap to scrub Bella clean.
That got rid of all the mud.
We used a shovel to dig up a bone for Bella.
Pluto's bones.
And we used the glue stick to put the keys back on the piano so we could sing Bella to sleep.
Oh, that was so sweet.
What a hot dog day!
Hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stop on the floor.
But that's the thing about
Hot diggity dog. Hot dog, diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans.
Hey, what
So
are you
long
guys
for
doing?
now from Mickey Mouse.
Tell me you were watching the
And the
movie.
Mickey Mouse.
Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no.
Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front. Watch it. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
The Timon. I still don't do so well in the crowd.
Assistant manager isn't all it's cracked up to be. Are you in film school for this?
Hi! Movie's over. Go home!